Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to log in into ING Netherlands banking app on your iPhone in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Open the ING app. First unlock your iPhone, tap on the ING mobile banking app icon. Make sure your phone is connected to the internet using Wi-Fi or mobile data. Step 2. Login screen appears. When the app opens, you will see the login screen. You can log in using Face ID, Touch ID or your mobile PIN depending on how your app is set up. Step 3. Log in with Face ID or Touch ID. If biometric is enabled, simply look at your phone or place your finger on sensor. The app will securely verify. Step 4. Log in with mobile PIN. If biometrics are not enabled, enter your 5-digit ING mobile PIN on the screen. Make sure no one can see your PIN while entering it. Step 5. Successfully log in. After successfully verification, you will arrive at the home screen where you can see your account balance, credit cards and recent transactions. Step 6. Security tip and helps. For your security, never share your PIN or let others use your phone. If you can't log in, tap forgot PIN or contact customer support directly through the app. And that's how you can log into your ING Netherlands banking app on your iPhone. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.